I'm Lee from Snuggle.Crochet, and today I want to give you a quick glimpse into how I block all of my finished crochet wall hangings. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start by just saturating our finished tapestries with water. I like to do this in a clean bathroom sink, and I'm just going to open and turn the tapestry over just to make sure that I'm getting every single bit saturated. And then at the very end, I'm going to kind of fold it in half a couple times and squeeze out the water. We don't want to wring it out because that can skew the fibers at the end. Alright, so now I'm going to put the saturated tapestry onto my blocking mat. You'll notice that each of the squares are 1 square inch. And when I can, I will try to stretch the tapestry out so that it fits in those square inches. Sometimes that doesn't happen and I can only get to a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch, but I do the best I can. So what I'm going to do is just kind of stretch it out, play with the fibers a little bit, and see where is this going to fit. And then I will put a pin in each of the 4 corners of the tapestry to kind of mark this is about how tall and how wide I want it to be. And then I will proceed to put a pin in each of the 1 inch marks along the top and then along the bottom. And then once I have the top and bottom pins all set, I will go ahead and do the sides and make sure those are as straight as possible. Typically they'll end up a little wavy, but since gauge and tapestry crochet can get a little wonky, I find it's better to have like a little wave on the edge than to have like a really big significant one that happens when you start to do those color changes, because that's definitely a risk factor. Okay, and here is a look of what my full blocking mats look like. I have 8 individual blocking mats, and I find that when I alternate the letter patterns between a horizontal and a vertical, then I can get 8 of them onto my entire mats. And then once they're all placed on there, I will just wait for them to completely air dry. Thank you so much for watching how I block my finished crochet pieces. If you found this video helpful to your process, please go ahead and give it a like. And if you want to stay in touch for more crochet tutorials, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope to see you later. Bye!